Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to adjust transitions. Let's begin! Let's start! Transitions can be adjusted on both the timeline and effect control panels. Adjusting the whole thing in the timeline and then fine-tuning it with effect controls is a basic rule. I'll adjust the time for this transition. First, adjust the length of the transition. This length is called duration. Dragging the end of the transition allows you to extend or shorten the duration. If you extend one end, the other end will also extend in conjunction. You can adjust the right and left edges individually by holding down the Shift key and dragging them. Dragging the transition itself allows you to move time. The Effect Control panel allows for more accurate adjustments in the transition. This is the effect control of the transition. The placement menu makes it easy to switch between transitions. Select End a cut. Then the transition will move like this. Similar to timeline operations, you can crop, move, or change the lengths of transitions. Now I adjusted the transition. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.